Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the G002 or the Phantom model for the GNX Deborah custom from the Gundam 00 series, and this is a bootleg version for that P Bandai model kit. So I got an interest on this kind of kit because I really like the designs for the GNX, since I got my first GNX from the GPO model kit, and I really fascinated with that kit, so I got my interest on buying this Phantom model for that reason. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this G002 or the GNX Deborah from Phantom model has to offer us collectors. So fangbiraan loose gits. So I really like the Chinese companies that make this kind of box, which is very simple, and I really admire the simpleness of this kit. So again, we can only see the G002 code here without any picture for that bootleg model. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, and it says here G002, and for that we will see the parts list, and those parts list are in simple thing here. So there we go. You can see how this thing will be assembled, and it's the same with the GTO models, the GNX, regular GNX. By the way, I forgot to mention in the introduction that this is supposed to be the advanced GNX Deborah custom. Okay, so it differs from the regular GNX. Okay, the only difference for this kit is the armor parts like this. So there's this some add-ons for this kit, so nothing much. Okay. And for the weapon as well. Okay, so there we go. We got to see the gray parts here for the armor parts or inner frame parts. And we got polycaps, gray parts also, and we got to see white parts and red parts. Again, these are all red parts, gray parts for the inner frame, white parts for the armor pieces. Then we got here horror slide decals and foil sticker for the eyes. And there we go, we got white parts again, red parts, and another red parts here. Gray parts, I mean, for the inner frame. So for the runner review, we got here runner B for the red parts, and these are all for the armor pieces. And we got here runner C for the red parts again. So I really like the plastic quality of this kit. It reminds me of my recently built Jin, which is a bit glossy, but the plastic is really hard, just like that. So there's a bootleg feel for the kit, but the plastic is, I really like the mold. There's no mold marks that is available or evident with the plastics here compared with the Bandai, which is very rampant. Okay, so we got here red parts again for runner K1. We got white parts here for the lance, and this is the I or L2 runner. We got here gray parts for the M2 runner, and we got here I2 for the gray runners. We got here polycaps, H1 polycaps, and we got the Deborah model here, or the no, actually this looks like Soma Paris, and this one I forgot this guy, but there we go. We got a female and male pilot figure here. So there we go. We got the female pilot. Then supposed to be, this should be Deborah, but it looks more Soma Paris to me. Okay, so I1 for the waist part. Okay, so we got here this runner D for the inner frame parts, and this is what I like here, the articulated fingers. Then we got here this runner E for the inner frame parts. We got here runner J for the gray parts, runner G for this I think this one for the rifle, and we got here runner L1 for white parts, then runner B for the white parts also, then another white parts for runner A for the armor pieces or armor parts. We got here gray parts for the inner frame, and this is your runner F. And we got the runner K3 and runner K2 for this inner frame, our armor pieces in color red. And I forgot to mention the pack for this. We got the clear purple parts here for the GN drive, and we got clear pink beam saber effect parts. Then we got here also water slide and this foil stickers. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the G002 Gen X Advance for Deborah custom. So see you next time on the finished product.